Hello Virgo Collective, Sun, Moon, and Rising. Ako po si James. Kamusta po kayo and welcome to James Tarot PH. Ito po ang inyong weekly reading for March 17 to 23. Kalahati na po tayo ng Marso. Kamusta po ang inyong buhay-buhay? I-comment nyo nga po sa baba kung saan po kayo nanonood, kung saan parte kayo ng Pilipinas o ng mundo nanonood po sa ating reading para po makuha ko po ang inyong energy. Ako rin po ay kapwa nyo Virgo. Ako po ay September 18. Kailan po ang inyong birthday? So, ang ating reading ay napaka-special because I know for myself na mga kapwa ko Virgo makakatanggap ng messages today. Thank you po pala sa mga nag-like, nag-share, tsaka po nag-subscribe, and also for those who are not skipping the ads. Gamitin niyo po yung intuition niyo today para makuha niyo po yung akmang messages na kaloob sa inyo ng inyong spirit guide. So, ibang messages ay para po sa ibang Virgo po yun, okay? Start na tayo. Inhale and exhale. At the center of your reading, you have the Eight of Wands. Beautiful. Good news after good news after good news is a very beautiful and prosperous card. I'm also seeing for others, you're on the right path. So pag-usapan natin yan later. At the area of what you want, you have the Four of Pentacles. Wow, stability. In the area of what you need, ay the Devil card. Wow. In the area of what's affecting your current energy, the Sun. Beautiful, happiness, joyous moments sa life mo. Very, very positive energy sa life mo today, Virgo. In the area of your near future, wow, the World card. Completion, accomplishments. Beautiful. In the area of your challenge, you have the Lovers card. In the area of your fortune, you have the Queen of Cups. Beautiful. Lahat ng bagay sa iyong puso, mga gusto mong makamit in your life. In the area of what's of your divine advice, you have the Knight of Wands and the Ace of Wands. Beautiful. New beginning. And your outcome this week, Virgo, for March 17 to 23, you have the Eight of Pentacles. Wow, beautiful. Pag-usapan natin lahat yan. At the bottom of your deck, you have the Judgment card. Wow, this week daw, merong pag-action, may call for action, merong awakening, o meron kang mga bagay na this week, this March 17 to 23, Virgo, I'm hearing may mga bagay kang a-actionan base sa mga matutuklasan mo, whether you will know the truth about a certain relationship, a certain job, or a certain endeavor na inyong pinagkakabalahan na. Halimbawa, meron kang mga bagay na parang in the last week hindi mo alam kung paano mo solusyonan o kung ano yung next step o kung ano yung next level. But this week, there will be an answered prayer I'm hearing. There will be truth coming out and surrendering to God na parang, Lord, kayo na pong bahala. And then, saka lalabas yung parang answer. Parang I'm hearing your prayers are being answered, and the result na hinihingi mo o yung sign na hinihingi mo ibibigay sa'yo, and you just have to be alert also this week because this will be a very prosperous. I'm hearing may darating na good news. So, pakaabangan mo yung good news na bigay sa'yo ni Archangel Gabriel, also ng spirit guides mo at ni God. So, a very, very blessed week for you, Virgo. At the center, simulan na tayo, you have the Eight of Wands. Dalawang eight na to. Eight is prosperity or abundance. I'm hearing good news ang darating sa'yo this week, whether sa mga tinatrabaho mo for the past week, for the past month, meron kang bagay na sobrang mong pinaghihirapan, sobrang mong pinag-alaanan ng oras at atensyon, and for the past weeks, past months, walang resulta, o wala kang nakikitang news o parang update for a certain supervisor or boss or agency o company na pinagtatrabahuhan mo o area na gusto mong pagkaabalahan, o kaya negosyo, ganyan, o sideline. I'm hearing this time there will be a turning point in your life. May good news o parating, and this is like you waking up to that good news na kaloob sa iyo ng Archangel Gabriel. So congratulations, because this will be something na sobrang overwhelming for you, na parang hindi ka pa rin makapaniwala na makukuha mo siya, o hindi, parang gisingin nyo ako, kurutin nyo ako kasi ito na yung parang bagay na hinihiling ko, ganyan. So this is a turning point week for you. Congratulations. The Eight of Wands being clarified by the Six of Pentacles. Yes, this is like a reward from your hard work. Kung ano yung binigay mo before, may sukli na siya ngayon. May reward, merong sukli, merong reciprocation of what you have been giving this past few weeks or past few months. I'm hearing parang ito yung dahil ito yung binigay mo, ito yung ibabalik sa'yo. Matagal mo tong hinihiling, I'm hearing that. Matagal mo tong gustong makuha. Kitang-kita mo na from afar yung result or yung goal na gusto mo. And this time, reality na siya. Malapit mo na siyang makuha. So, congratulations, Virgo. In the area of what you want, you have the Four of Pentacles. You want really stability. Kung trabaho man yan o negosyo, gusto mo, dire-diretso ang kita. Hindi mo naisipin bukas ka makalawa kung ano yung standing mo sa isang bagay, makakabili ba ako ng bahay, nakabayad ba ako sa bills, tuition fee ng mga anak ko, pangailangan namin linggo-linggo, buwan-buwan, maintenance for others, kung nag-maintenance po kayo, Virgo oldies dyan, kung ngayon iniisip mo, ano yung mga dapat kong gawin o ano yung mga dapat kong pasukan o simulan in order for me to have a stable financial flow sa life ko. And I'm seeing really that is your focus this week, or actually this whole year. Parang gusto mo na magkaroon ng stable job, a stable income, whereas hindi ka na mangailangan ng alam niyo, parang wala ka ng worry. Of course, we all always have stress and worries here and there. Pero pagdating sa financial, yun parang focus nating lahat, Virgo, this month or this year. Parang we want that stability para mapangalagaan natin yung iba't ibang areas ng life natin. Especially Virgo, so we're very leader tayo sa life natin, whether inaalagaan yung family natin, friends, or our parents. So, stability is your aiming this week. So, Virgo, the Four of Pentacles being clarified by the Eight of Cups. So, I'm seeing here, may mga bahay ka ng iniwan o pinabayaan or nilayuan in order for you to attain this goal na matagal mong kinukuha. Halimbawa, iniwan mo na yung dating job kasi magko-focus ka na sa negosyo kasi feeling mo itong negosyo na to ang para sa'yo at ito ang magbibigay sa'yo na mas malaking kita kaysa dun sa trabaho ng nagpapagod ka nga pero wala namang hindi sapat yung binibigay sa'yo. So, there was a moment na iniwan mo yung isang bagay to focus on financial stability o itong trabaho na to na mas malaki ang kita, mas swak sa pangangailangan mo o swak sa'yo, or meron kang endeavor in the past na parang you know na hindi na to para sa akin and you're focusing on this new one na mas malaki yung potential for you to grow. Okay? So, walking away from something, I believe and I feel na parang naging matapang ka sa pag-alis doon kasi parang it doesn't serve you anymore and this time, tong focus mo, itong trabaho o negosyo, kung ano man po yung pagkakabalahan nyo now, ito magbibigay sa'yo ng stability na hinihingi mo. In the area of what you need, kailangan mo daw itong the Devil card. I'm hearing iwan mo na daw yung mga negative thoughts, yung mga parang stress levels or mga worries na parang hindi naman akma sa realidad mo. Yung parang you're thinking too much of a worry na hindi pa naman nangyayari o wala pa namang sa hinagap ay matutupad o mangyayari sa ginagawa mo. Parang tayo mga Virgo, we're always overthinking. Para lagi tayong 3 times ahead sa mga bagay na ginagawa natin. Parang iniisip pa lang ng ibang tao, naisip na natin 10 times bago nila isipin. So tayo, lahat ng troubleshooting, lahat ng loopholes, lahat ng possible na problema ay talagang naisip na natin from the start, from the get-go. So ito ang kailangan mong tanggalin sa isip mo. Sabi sa iyo ng what you need area, sabi sa iyo ng spirit guides. Let go of those self-limiting thoughts, yung mga bagay na pumipigil sa'yo to acquire what you want kasi parang napapangunahan ka rin minsan ng takot o kaya overthinking, parang hindi ko kaya yan o hindi mangyayari, ganito may aberya, pinapangunahan ka ng negativity kaysa i-enjoy mo yung bagay na pwedeng magpaganda ng mga ways para sa'yo. Parang imbis na i-enjoy mo, basta fina-focus mo yung mga bagay na negative. I'm also thinking for others, let go of those bad habits, bisyo, your routine, change your routine, focus on exercise more. Virgo, this is a time to take care of ourselves, take care of our health also. For others, iwan mo na daw yung mga taong alam mong hindi mo mapagkakatiwalaan, and also for others na alam mo parang hindi maganda yung hatid sa'yo. Halimbawa, parang gimmick ng gimmick. Ikaw naman, naiiwan mo tuloy yung mga dapat mong asikasuhin kasi kailangan mo silang atenan. So make sure that you are surrounded with the people na nakakatulong sa'yo at saka para sa'yo kaysa yung nagtutuon ka ng oras at atensyon sa iba't ibang tao na hindi ka naman really talaga after your benefit. Okay, the Devil cards being clarified by the Ten of Swords. In order daw para matapos na tong mga paghihirap mo, learn to walk away from things talaga na negativity. Whether toxic people, toxic workplace, toxic thinking, yan talaga nakikita ko dito, toxic thinking. Para mawala yung mga bigat, mga stress, mga burden, mga parang stress levels sa isip mo, yung mga self-limiting thoughts, hindi ka mahina, hindi ka huli, huwag mo i-compare ang sarili mo sa iba. You're on your right path at yung kinalalagyan mo ngayon, ikaw ay nasa journey na patungo sa iyong divine purpose. So make sure that you are taking one step at a time. Huwag ka masyadong ma-stress sa mga bagay na wala pa kasi paparating yan sa'yo at the right time. Okay? In the areas what affecting your current energy, you have the sun, happiness. This time, you're anticipating something good. I'm hearing, meron kang, parang nasa precipice ka na ng pagkuha ng isang bagay na gusto mo. Parang ramdam mo Virgos are very intuitive Ramdam mo pag nandyan na pag malapit ng isang bagay. Yes, meron ka dito mga negative thoughts. Sumisingit-singit yan sa isip mo. Yung mga negatibong bagay na parang, mangyayari ba to? Kailan ba? Pero this time, I'm seeing you so optimistic of what's coming. Merong awakening dito, merong sign na paparating sa'yo. Your prayers are being heard by God. So, make sure na ipanatilihin mo tong happy mindset, yung joyful mindset mo, yung optimism sa'yo na kahit anong mangyari, you're happy. Relax lang. Go out more also, seeing you enjoying the sun, enjoying the company of your friends, of your family. Hindi ka masyadong, I don't know why, pero magaan this time, magaan this week. I'm seeing that. And for other Virgos dyan na may sakit this time, you will be healed. May paggaan ng kalusugan, pakiramdam. I'm seeing you now, parang kaya mo nang maligo o lumabas for those na may sakit ito mga nakaraan. So, this will be a good partnership. The sun and the 8 of Wands, I'm seeing good news after good news after good news, and bunga yan ng iyong pinaghirapan before. The sun is being clarified by the Ace of Cups. Dalawang joyous card here. The sun is all about happiness. Parang nag-sunbathing ka sa araw and you feel free, you feel contented, you feel na parang ito yung katuparan ng mga bagay na gusto ko. And clarify pa siya ng Ace of Cups. Ace of Cups is all about what your heart desires. At parang this time I'm hearing, since may 8 of Wands dito, yung good news na paparating para sa'yo, you will cry ng tears of joy. I'm hearing that. Parang mapupuno yung puso mo ng happiness, kagalakan. Share mo yung blessings paparating sa'yo with your family, with your friends. And parang may feel ko, God, ito po yung matagal kong dinasal. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Deep, truly a turning point in your life. And in the near future, there will be a cycle ending. Kung tapos na yung isang bagay na problema, you're entering now on a different portal, on a new portal. Para I'm seeing you, para a new Virgo, a new you. Tapos na yung past, tapos na yung bagay na pinagdaanan mo before. There will be an ending on a certain problem, on a certain cycle, and you accomplishing something new in your life. Pwedeng may bagong job, may bagong negosyo, sisimulan ka ng bagong mag-aaral ka ulit. Alam mo yun, parang meron kang matatapos dito. A graduation, halimbawa, you're stepping into a new life, Virgo. This is a turning point in your life right now. I'm seeing parang a renewed you. So, the world cards being clarified by the 7 of Cups. After daw ng isang cycle, papasok ka sa bagong portal, meaning a new life cycle sa buhay mo, and you will have new doors opening up for you. At ikaw na lang yung mamimili, ano kaya dito ang gusto ko puntahan? Alin dito ang pwede sa akin? And makikita mo na parang ang daming options for you in the near future. Halimbawa now, siguro, you're thinking of trying a new job or trying to a new endeavor, a new ways of earning money. In the near future, after mo matapos itong isang cycle mo, you will have options. Madali mo makikita kung ano yung mga bagay na para sa'yo, mga bagay na I'm seeing someone na parang lalapit na lang sa iyo yung swerte, lalapit sa iyo yung options na yan. Parang may mag-aalok sa iyo na pwede ka ba dito? O doon may trabaho doon, no? Baka pwede ka. So, the options and the opportunities will come to you at the right time. So, this is really a very optimistic and saka abundant future para sa iyo. Especially meron kang dalawang 8 dito, which is abundance. 888 is on your side. So, a very beautiful future reading para sa iyo, Virgo. In the area of a challenge, you have the Lovers. I'm seeing here I don't know why, pero kung meron daw hindi pagkakaunawaan with your partner or with someone you love, make sure na tatanggalin mo yung wall between the two of you or your family member or your friends. Make sure na kung ano yung communication mabibigay mo ng tama at accurately. Voice out, magsalita ka, have this open communication. Ayun ang magiging problema mo this week, is having that kung ano yung nasa puso mo, sabihin mo. Okay? Wag kang paligoy-ligoy so that hindi ka rin ma-misinterpret. But for others, I'm seeing here your choices, because lovers is all about choices, whether choice of career, choice of job, choice of pag-ibig o kaya passion project. So this week your obstacle is the things and people and circumstances that you chose before. So ano ba yung mga pinapahalagahan mo, Virgo? Make sure na nakatuon ka rin dyan, yung attention mo ay hindi nawawaglit. Baka mamaya meron ka mga areas sa mga choices mo na hindi mo masyadong nakikita, kaya hindi mo napapansin kung may aberya o may kulang o may dapat pagkatuunan ng pansin. Okay? So the lovers is being clarified by the Ace of Wands. Dalawang beses ba sa Ace of Wands? Something new. You need to have parang a new plan. I'm hearing that. Parang kung this time ka may problema sa relationships, problema sa mga bagay na pinili mo, because it is all about choices, make sure that you have a backup idea or a backup plan sa pag-fix ng bagay na yan. I'm hearing kung may aberya, dapat kaya mo siya agad solusyonan. I don't know why, pero parang there is this certain urgency sa bagay na to, na parang make sure na meron kang plan B, plan C, plan D sa mga bagay-bagay, and that para hindi rin mawala sa iyo itong mga bagay na pinapangalagaan mo. So you have to have a clear mind, a clear vision, a spark in your mind para madali mong maayos yung mga bagay na dapat ayusin this week. Okay? In the area of your fortune, you have the Queen of Cups. I'm seeing here you so elated, so happy. Parang I don't know why, pero I'm seeing a finish line here. Sa area siya ng fortune holding that trophy. Tignan mo siya, nakafocus siya dun sa trophy na yun, hawak-hawak niya. It's parang galak na galak siya, proud na proud siya sa hawak niya. I'm seeing you so proud of what you have reached. May milestone ka mararating this week, a certain parang level, parang yes, narating ko na to, yes, natupad ko to, yes, nakuha ko tong bagay na to because pinagdaanan ko to in the past, buti lang hindi ako sumuko, and here I am now holding this cup, like a victory cup, like a trophy of your success. Parang isa siyang manifestation of your hard work. So this is a reward coming up to you, Virgo, this week. Queen of Cups, talagang sobrang saya ng puso mo, sobrang saya ng parang ma-share mo siya sa family members mo, because Queen of Cups like nurturing, giving, compassion, help for others. So this time is also a good time for you to be generous and share your blessings to others. So congratulations, Virgo. Queen of Cups being clarified by the Nine of Swords. Seeing here the end of your worries, the end of those stress. This time, dahil sa milestone na to, sa trophy na ito, sa reward o award o level up na maabot mo, matatapos yung problema. I'm seeing here, tapos yung hindi ka makatulog o kaya paulit-ulit mo siyang iniisip, paano ko babayaran to. May makukuha ka bagay this week na matatapos sa problemang yun. Since sa era siya ng good fortune, yun talaga ang meaning niya. May katapusan ng isang bagay na problema mo, and you will see that this time, parang sabi mo, thank God, hindi ako sumuko. Thank God, I listened to myself. Thank God, I pushed through. Para ito yung sagot dito. Parang naramdaman mo yung answered prayer. Parang, thank you, Lord. Naramdaman mo yung presensya ni God with this time. And all of the things na wino-worry mo in the past will be gone immediately. So, congratulations, Virgo. In the area of your advice from a divine, you have the Knight of Wands and the Ace of Wands. Good news parating sa'yo that pertains to your job, creative passion, to your negosyo, something na pinagkakaabalahan mo this time. May good news paparating. Be very, very happy. Seeing kung ano yung parang leveling up or something na hinihiling mo. Halimbawa sa negosyo, may gusto ka na parang additional pera o kapital para papalago, o kaya meron kang dapat bayaran this time, darating sa'yo yung pambayad. There will be a good news because Knight of Wands is also a deliverer of good news. So may darating sa'yo, and you'll be very, very passionate about it, that will ignite the fire dito sa Ace of Wands na ito. Halimbawa meron kang tinatrabaho ngayon and you're thinking, paano ko ito susolusyonan? There will be an answered prayer from this one, whether from text, from chats, from a documentation na ibibigay sa'yo, dadalhin sa bahay mo. Parang yun yung magiging sagot o magiging parang go signal, and you will acquire this new opportunity in your life. Okay? Knight of Wands being clarified by the Five of Pentacles. Yes. Sagot ito dun sa mga struggle mo. Itong good news, sagot siya sa struggles mo in the past few weeks, past few months. Parang hindi mo alam kung anong sagot, wala kang pambili, wala kang pambayad sa ganito, malapit ka ng anuhan sa renta mo, o kaya kailangan mong bayaran tong 4 na linggo o 4 na buwan na behind ka na sa bayad, o walang tumutulong sa'yo, hindi mo alam saan ka kukuha ng support or assistance. This time there will be someone coming to you, or a good news from a certain individual that will give you that assistance or help. Pwedeng monetary o advice, o kaya may sagot na doon sa mga bagay na matagal mo nang hinihintay. Ace of Wands being clarified by Three of Wands. Yes, this new opportunity, itong kasagutan na mag-spark sa life mo, will stop the waiting game. Tapos ka na sa paghihintay, lalarga na yung mga bagay na gusto mo. From now on, dire-diretso na, wala nang patid, wala nang hinto, wala nang delays. Congratulations. Answered prayer yan sa'yo. Bago tipuntahan ng yung outcome ng 8 of Pentacles, let's have additional messages from a divine. Number 35, kung edad nyo po ang 35 o kaya special number para sa'yo. There is a confirmation that this reading is for you. Koala Spirit, kung nakita po kayo ng Koala anywhere where there are pictures, personal o internet o napag-usapan, there is a confirmation that this message is for you. Spirit has a plan. So kung may mga bagay po kayo na ngayon alinlangan o hindi sigurado, just believe in the higher power, believe in your faith, in your religion, in God, and also into yourself, that the Spirit is with you all the time, and masusolusyonan din lahat ng problema. Another message, we have transformation. A fresh new way of living emerges. So with this good news, with the Ace of Wands, dalawang beses, an awakening, you are in this transformation, a turning point talaga in your life. Ito ang area na kailangan pag-focus on this week, Virgo. Empathy. I am open to seeing both sides of a situation. So now, ang daming paparating na blessings sa life mo. So make sure that you are also sensitive enough sa needs ng bawat isa sa family members mo, sa circle mo. Make sure na naunawaan nyo isa't isa at alam mo yung pangangailangan ng isa't isa, so that you can be humble enough and stay true to yourself, and also be grateful kay God. Doon manggagaling din yung empathy mo, yung parang sensitivity mo sa ibang tao, so that you can understand people more than ever, hindi ba? In the outcome, you have Virgo, the 8 of Pentacles. I'm seeing here may growth sa mga bagay na tinatrabaho mo now. If you're working on a certain job or a certain negosyo o sa sarili mo, if you're working hard on your self-development or your mental health or your passion project, this time may growth, merong pagtaas ng skill level o may reward sa mga bagay na pinaghirapan mo. I'm seeing here getting the result sa mga bagay na matagal mo nang pinaghirapan at pinagpaguran. So I'm seeing here you are being seen or heard. I'm seeing may parang people are applauding you, or people are appreciating what you have done for you, for your family. Kung kayo po ay a breadwinner o kayo po ang main source ng income ng pamilya, kung kayo po ay OFW sa abroad, I'm seeing may paglago sa inyong kaperahan, and people are appreciating what you have done so far and your hard work and sacrifices. So the 8 of Pentacles being clarified by the Judgment card. Dalawang beses ba sa Judgment, answered prayer, really a turning point. Kung ano yung pinagdasal mo before, kung ano yung mga pinagpasa Diyos, may parang God, kayo na pang bahala, tinataas ko na po lahat sa inyo. Or parang you're saying, I need sign, Lord, I need sign. It will be given to you. Your hard work will be given such importance this time. Seeing kung ano yung para sa'yo, para sa'yo. I'm also seeing those who are parang dati hindi mo makuha yung resulta o parang feeling mo unfair. This time, it will be balanced. The fairness na hinahanap mo o hinihiling mo, ipaparating na sa'yo, Virgo. Napaka-abundant ng week na to for you. A turning point, a new cycle, a victory, a leveling up for you. So congratulations, Virgo. This is your March 17 to 23 reading. Hope sa po kayo naka-resonate. Hopefully maka-resonate po kayo at maka-relate. Comment down below and be reading your messages. Thank you again for the likes, for the shares, and for the subscriptions, and also for those who are not skipping the ads. Maraming salamat po sa inyong support and kindness. This has been James for James Tyler PH. God bless everyone.